Hey everybody, it's your girl Savvy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be taking a microscopic look at my hair before and after I use a hair treatment. We as women know that all of these companies on TV, they claim to like repair your hair and do all of this like miracle stuff. So today I really kind of want to find out if it actually makes a difference or if we're just wasting our hard-earned cash on hair masks thinking that it's doing something great for our hair when in reality it's not. So the hair mask that we are going to be using today is by Shea Moisture. It is called the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Mafuro and Baobab Oils. That was a lot to say. So the claim for this specific packet is that it repairs damage caused by overprocessing. It says that within just one use of this intensive treatment, it helps strengthen your hair by reducing breakage up to 76%. So Manuka Honey and Yogurt blend in a deep conditioning formula that fortifies weak strands, combating breakage and split ends to leave hair looking smooth and healthy. That is something we can test. The only thing a little suspect about this package is that the first claim was that it repairs damage caused by overprocessing, right? But then just below it, it says tested on non-chemically treated hair. That's a little suspect. Moving forward, let's get on into looking at what my hair looks like under the microscope. Alright folks, so I have my Mac here and I also have the microscope. Alright. What? Okay, this is a lie. My hair is not that healthy. Honest to God. Oh, there goes. Guys, I'm actually like really surprised. For the amount that I like iron my hair and I dye it, my hair should be like way more damaged. So right now I'm just gonna take a look at the bottom part, and I am very suspicious of this part. I feel like this should be the worst, just because it's my dead ends, I guess. So let's see. Do you guys see that little spot right there where it looks like my ends have just been cut off, or even right there behind those two strands of hair that are crisscrossing? You see that damage right there? Now I can definitely tell that my hair is quite a bit damaged at the bottom. I definitely see the damage more so at the bottom than at the top. Yeah, if you look at my strands up close, they look pretty healthy, but I am having a severe problem with breakage. So, oh, you see? Oh my God, that looks terrible. That is an example of just a dehydrated piece or something that's been over processed and it's just kind of cracked. Oh look, another one came up and it's... As you can see, this side up to about here, it was pretty healthy, it wasn't too bad. Now my ends are the part that are like really damaged and I really could use some help at the bottom of my hair. Alright, so now that we've seen what my hair looks like under the microscope before the hair treatment, I think we're just gonna go on and get into doing the hair treatment on this little piece right here. So without further ado, let's get into doing the hair treatment. I think this is a little bit too much for this little strand, but we're gonna make it work. Timer, 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it has been 15 minutes. My hair has completely been saturated in the hair treatment and they kind of look like water bug antennas. I'm really excited to go wash this off. I'm gonna go do that right now. Alright guys, so I have officially washed off all of the hair treatment that was on my hair. I'm going to go dry my hair with a blow dryer. I'm gonna make sure that the temperature is on its coldest setting. That way the heat doesn't change the result of what my hair is gonna look like once it's dry after the treatment under the microscope. So I will see you guys in a couple of seconds with some dry hair. Alright, so here I am with some dry hair and it is time to take a look under the microscope. If that wasn't clear. See, the top, I didn't really have a problem. The top of my hair was already really healthy. So it looks pretty much the same. Oh, right here, it definitely looks a lot shinier, for sure. And just to be clear, I didn't add any other products while I was drying my hair, so there are no oils on my hair. There are no hairsprays or gels or any heat protectant or anything like that. So it's just my natural hair. So I'm gonna go down a little bit. This is pretty much the area that I had a lot of problems with. I'm looking at it and immediately I see an end that looks like I have broke off already. But honestly, the bottom does look a lot better, guys. This is the bottom. Alright, so we just looked at what my hair looks like after the hair treatment, and I do have to say that looking at this side twice, because I honestly couldn't believe like the results, it has made a tremendous difference. This hair conditioning treatment is truly amazing. Honestly, I was expecting to see the same amount of damage, and I saw less, significantly less. So I'm very, very happy about this because I'm glad I haven't been wasting my money on all of these hair treatments that are like, I promise, you know, like we're gonna make your hair healthier and feel better and all this stuff, and I'm really just happy that it actually does what it says it does. By the way guys, I'm not being paid or sponsored by Shea Moisture for this video. I just randomly picked up this package because it had some cool claims on the back. I actually got it at Ulta, and I believe it was something like $3. Super affordable and obviously worth it because it definitely made quite a difference in my hair. So here are my personal opinions. I actually trust this brand now. I trust this specific product. I can't say that every product works the way they say it will, but I can definitely say for me, I've seen quite a big and dramatic result in my hair after using this product. And you know, you have the proof. Like, I've showed you guys what it looks like before and after. I want you guys to make your own opinions on this, and I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel because I love making videos and I want to make a bunch more for you guys. So I just want to know what you guys want from me and we can make it happen together. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.